Hey guys, it's me Lee from Border Busters, and today I want to show you how to randomize your animations in Blender. So before we start, I just want to say, please make sure to like and subscribe. Help me get 4,000 watch hours by watching my longer videos. And what those 4,000 watch hours is they're basically the watch time that I get from all of you guys watching my videos. And to help me get those 4,000 watch hours, I just need you guys to watch the videos all the way through. And I have created a playlist for that. The link to that playlist will be in the description below. You don't even have to watch it all the way through. You could just play it. And I currently only have 200... I forget, maybe 219, 20, yeah, maybe 220, and yeah, I could use your guys' help on that. So I'm just going to take this cube, I'm going to delete it, I'm going to press Shift A and add a monkey. So yeah, what I want to do here, let's make a new collection here. We'll name this to render. We can take these camera and lights right here. And to give your animation some randomness, all you have to do is once you just have your model all the way ready. This is just a new Blender file, so if you have models already, you can add that to this. So what you want to do, you want to go up here, pull this up, and yeah, so we could just go here. You'll see this little timeline thing. This is the whole timeline right here. I'm gonna set this down to like 90. And we could go here, and you want to change this to graph editor. So what we could do here is whatever axis you want to kind of add some randomness to, keyframe that, and then you'll be able to do it. So I'm going to keyframe it on the Z-axis. So I'll press End to go into here. Then I'm going to go to Location Z, right click, Insert Single Keyframe. And then you'll see all this stuff pop up. So in here, you want to go here, and you'll see the Z location, or whatever axis you put in there that you want to make some randomness on. You're just going to press A to select all. You could get rid of this now. And if you don't see this on here, so you just press N, and then you'll go down to the modifiers, add modifier, noise. So now it will add some randomness to this, but that is very, very strong. What you could do here, you can make the scale less, make the strength, I'm going to make this like to 1. You could change the strength to like 0.5 or whatever you really want to do. I might scale this down a little bit more. Yeah, so we don't really want, it really depends what you want to do. I'm going to go for something not super strong, but this could be good for like a floating animation. And you could restrict the frame range if you want to have a certain like loop or something. Can make the start and the end. You can also blend this in. So like let's say it kind of starts out easy, but you have to put one of these in here to start that. So let's say start at 1, and at 90 we can start kind of blending it in at 1 and then out 90. So this kind of blends it a little bit, and you can definitely just change all of this, just really kind of mess around with this. Yeah, it's really cool. That's how you really add randomness to your animation. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.